In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook. If videos start playing as you scroll and it's distracting or uses up data, turning off autoplay is a simple way to make your feed calmer and more efficient. We'll do this from a web browser so the steps are consistent and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. On the sign in page, enter your login details and click login. For your security, only sign in on the official site and never share your password. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. Click your profile picture. It's the circular icon that opens a quick menu. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. This opens Facebook's main settings area where you can control how your account behaves. On the settings page, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Preferences. If your browser window is narrow, you may need to expand the sidebar or scroll a bit more to see it. Under Preferences, click on Media. This section contains controls for video and sound behavior across Facebook. Inside the media settings, find the autoplay section. This is the control that determines whether videos start playing automatically as you move through your feed. You'll see a toggle or option that allows you to switch autoplay off. Click to turn autoplay off. Facebook saves this change immediately. There's no separate save button. So as soon as you flip the toggle, your new preference is active. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Facebook sometimes updates its layout, so the wording or placement may look slightly different, but the path is the same. Settings and Privacy, then Media under Preferences. If you don't see the media option right away, give the page a moment to load or scroll a bit further in the sidebar. And if the change doesn't seem to take effect right away in your feed, refresh the page to apply your new settings. That's all you need to do. By turning off autoplay, you can reduce distractions, save bandwidth, and have more control over what you watch and when you watch it. You can always return to the same media settings later if you want to re-enable autoplay. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter, more focused Facebook experience.